Okay, so we are going to start a mock interview for our student Manoj, who is appearing for an interview at Gale. Hello, Manoj.
Yes. Hello, sir.
Yeah. So, Manoj, is it through GATE score or through written exam?
Sir, through GATE score, sir.
Okay. So, what was your GATE score this year?
Sir, 843.
843, and All India rank?
27, sir.
27 in instrumentation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now let us start and give us a brief introduction.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Manoj Prajapat. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan, sir, which is popularly known as Blue City. And sir, I did my schooling from Mahesh Shikshan Sansthan. It is Paramount Institute all over, sir, Jodhpur. And sir, I completed my BTech from Government Engineer College, Ajmer with honors. And sir, my final year project was automatic visitor counter with 7-segment display. And so my hobbies are collecting motivational quotes and such sentences. And so it is possible I would like to spend some time with children and sir old age people. And sir, I believe sir children give me positive energy and sir happiness, and old age people give me sir lesson related to life. And it is all about me, sir.
Okay. So you are from Jodhpur.
Yes, sir.
Why Jodhpur is famous?
Sir, for sir sweets, sir.
Sweets.
Yes, sir.
Which sweet? Any
Sir,
particular
because
dish?
sir like sir giver and sir ghee sweet, sir.
Okay. Any other identity of Jodhpur?
Sir, it is famous for also in sir dal bati churma in sir Rajasthan, and also
Okay.
sir in visiting palace like sir Mehrangarh Fort, Chittor Palace, Umaid Bhavan, Mandur, and this is in there.
Okay. So can you tell us something historical? What is the historical importance of Jodhpur?
Sir, first sir there is sir in Jodhpur sir the Mehrangarh Fort, which is established by sir Rao Jodha. And sir also sir Umaid Bhavan, and it is very popular for sir weddings for like sir in sir Mukesh Ambani's son's wedding there, and sir Priyanka Chopra weddings in there, sir.
Okay. So do you also have some such dream for getting your marriage there?
Not yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me, why did you choose this instrumentation branch at your BTech?
Sir, I think sir instrumentation is branch. It is sir essential for sir every organization, because sir it is a combination of the sir EC and sir electronics, and sir some part of the mechanical also, sir. Or there is a
Okay.
sensor, sir. Because sir, every instrument will require sir sensor to sir get the input and data, sir.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. So now you tell me, you have got All India rank 27. So
yes,
most
sir.
probably you may get admission in MTech also at different IITs, and you
Uh,
have IIT Jodhpur also in your city. So why don't you
uh,
try for MTech or MS programs?
Sir, since graduation, sir, pursue my dream, and sir, that's why sir, I prepared for the sir gate. And sir, my present situation doesn't allow me for sir higher education, and sir, I would like to sir support my family and this time, and sir, moreover, I want to sir going into sir job.
So you are more in need of job right now, right?
Yes, sir.
So why this Gale? Why there are other opportunities also? You may get opportunity in other PSUs also. Why Gale?
Sir, that time, sir, I only sir shortlisted for the Gale, sir, and sir, also, sir, I matches a vision with sir Gale, and sir, to sir contribute for the sir quality of life for people, and sir, this is best for what they are doing, and sir, also it is a lot of prestige related to it, and sir, I would be a matter of honor and sir prestige as a part of this organization, and it is the also sir big name of this organization, sir, and sir, it will be give me sir a very good career boost.
Okay, tell me what is the main work of Gale?
Sir, GAIL is in the sir, many sector like sir, natural gas, petrochemical, and sir, LPG transmission, city gas distribution, GAIL, and sir, liquid hydrocarbons. And sir, they in their field they work.
Okay, under which ministry it lies?
Sir, Ministry of Petroleum and sir, Natural Gas.
And who is cabinet minister for this?
Sir, Mr. Harvinder Singh Puri, sir, and sir, State Minister is sir Sri Rameswar Teli, sir.
Okay, and right now who is the person at the top position, topmost position in GAIL?
Sir, Sri Manoj Jain, sir, he is the sir chairperson also and the MD also, sir.
Okay. Now you are from instrumentation, right?
Yes, sir.
First of all, tell me about your weaknesses. What weakness in your personality do you know?
Sir, I think, sir, this is not my weakness. This is my area of improvement because presently, sir, I am working upon it. And sir, my area of improvement, sir, is sir, first, sir, I'm a sir, workaholic personality. And sir, due to this, sir, I faced sir health issue during my sir preparation, and that's why, sir, I follow sir very healthy sir diet schedule this time. And the second, sir, I am sir not much so fluent in English, and that's why, sir, I am participating in debate and sir also in sir talk to my friend in English, and also I joined one institute whose name in IICS, and sir also, and sir third is I am sir straightforward person.
You are a straightforward person.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of that?
सर लाइक सर जो चीज सर जैसी होती है सर मैं उसको वैसा ही बताता हूँ सर लाइक नो मोर एड सर सम एक्स्ट्रा सर उसमें किसी को सर खुश करने के लिए कुछ मतलब नहीं करता सर मैं जो चीज जैसी होती है मतलब ऑनेस्टली सर उसका सर एनालाइज करता हूँ
तो ये आपने अपनी वीकनेस बताई कि आपने स्ट्रेंथ बताया आपने ये
सर समटाइम इज सर वीकनेस बिकॉज some people didn't like this because some people always want to somebody appreciate this person but sir it is not true sir every time sir.
Okay.
That's why, sir, I feel because sir, in my friends and sir, sometimes I tell sir truth always. That sir, they didn't like.
Okay. Now, your weakness and strength are same thing you are telling. Sometimes it becomes weakness, sometimes it becomes your strength, right?
And sir, my strength is more, sir.
Okay, what?
Sir, first, sir, my sir time management skill and sir, this skill I developed sir 2-3 years before. And sir, I used to my day start with sir write my day journey and sir I write all the schedule of my day on the paper and sir behind this it's my motivation. If sir one day is according to me, sir then sir whole life will according to me. And second, sir, I am a quick learner and sir I have learned things quickly and sir adapt things sir quickly. And sir third is sir I am dedication and sir a hardworking person.
Okay. And now you tell me about your hobbies. You mentioned some hobbies. Can you repeat those?
Yes, sir. Sometimes, sir, I sir collecting sir motivational quotes and sir sentences.
Motivational quotes. So, any particular which you remember right now?
Yes, sir. Like sir, from sir APJ Abdul Kalam, sir. If you sir sign like a sun, then sir you will be sir burned like a sun, sir. And sir for sir like sir some Vivekanand quotes are उठो जागो और तब तक कोशिश करो तब तक सर लक्ष्य से प्राप्त ना हो जाए. और सर some गांधी जी quotes like sir love hate to love and sir love to singer.
Okay. ये आपने जो बताया अभी विवेकानंद जी का कि उठो जागो और जब तक
चलो जब तक लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति ना हो जाए.
तो आपका लक्ष्य क्या है लाइफ का?
Sir, in this time, sir, work with sir big organization is my sir aim.
तो उठो जागो और लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति आपको हो गई अगर सपोज आपका सिलेक्शन हो गया दैट्स इट काम खत्म?
No sir sir I think sir this is my short term goals and sir my long term goals is behind this.
वो क्या है?
Sir I think sir I will be the part of the at the top position of any organization, sir, and I am the top person and any organization with my long term goals, sir.
Okay. Now come to your technical knowledge. So first of all, tell me your favorite subjects during your BTech.
So instrumentation, measurement system, control system, digital, yes, sir, and open, sir.
Okay. So tell me, what is instrumentation amplifier? We separately study instrumentation amplifier.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the importance of that and what is the functioning of that?
Sir, first of sir, main importance of sir this because sir it's a remove sir loading effect because sir it can't tap any sir current from the sir preceding device, sir, and that's after that we amplify the sir input, sir.
Okay.
So this is the main role of the instrumentation amplifier because
Can
any
you draw?
other.
Can you draw it on the paper?
Yes, sir.
Okay, draw.
Sir, this is visible.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So in short, explain the working in 1 minute or 30 seconds.
Sir, first we sir apply the sir input differential input on it, but sir differential input can't sir there is a current is zero. Sir, this device can't sir tap the current for the preceding sir. That's why the loading phase it decreases. After that, sir, it's sir there are sir, three resistance, and sir this is the main amplifier. The sir output of the this node is sir amplified, and sir final gain is we got this, and sir one major advantage if we increase the feedback resistance, then sir gain of the increases. But also sir, if we increase the feedback resistance, also sir it like a insulator, and sir we can say कि sir जो फीडबैक है वो सर गायब हो जाता है क्योंकि सर ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस है. बट सर इसमें अगर हमको सर गेन बना सर ज्यादा करना होता है, सिर्फ सर आरजी से काम चला सकते हैं. इस रेजिस्टेंस को हम मिनिमाइज कर लेंगे तो सर टोटल गेन बढ़ जाता है. हमें सर फीडबैक को गेन को ज्यादा बढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं होती सर इसमें. तो दैट्स वाई सर इसमें फीडबैक भी सेफ हो जाता है सर.
Okay, okay. Now tell me, what is a transducer?
Sir, transducer, sir, is a device, or we can say it is a packet product which convert one form energy into sir any other energy like say electrical energy.
Okay. So suppose we have to measure the level of a liquid. So which transducers may help us?
Which transducer? Sir,
Yeah.
DP transducer, differential pressure transducer, sir.
Okay, okay.
And sir, others sir like sir capacitance probe.
Okay.
And sir also sir radiation transducer.
Okay.
And
Okay.
sir ultrasonic
so
transducer.
according to you, in Gale, which quantity is the most important to be measured or monitored?
Sir, I think sir pressure.
Pressure. Okay. So how do we measure pressure?
Sir, for the sir measuring of the pressure, we use a different like sir for the sir high pressure and the low pressure.
Okay.
For the sir and the medium range pressure with the three devices. For the sir high pressure we use a load cell, and sir for the sir medium range pressure we use sir bellow, diaphragm, and sir burden tube, and sir manometer, and sir और सर फॉर द सर लो प्रेशर के लिए सर हम सर आयोनाइजेशन गेज, थर्मोकपल गेज, एंड सर
Can we use LVDT for measuring pressure?
Yeah, sir, LVDT use sir like sir secondary transducer we use for it, sir. First we sir connect sir diaphragm, and sir connect diaphragm to sir LVDT core, and sir that's why I say pressure convert into sir finally electrical energy, sir.
Okay. And what are the main units of pressure?
So pressure is a Pascal, and sir Newton per meter square. Also sir bar, torr, ATM, AT, and sir.
1 torr में कितने mmHg होता है?
Sir, approximate sir 76, sir.
1 torr equal to 76.
Yes, sir. I'm not sure, but sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. अच्छा, इसमें ये Hg मतलब क्या है? यहाँ पे Hg क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है?
सर मरकरी को सर.
तो मरकरी का क्या रोल है इसमें प्रेशर में?
Actually sir we use sir atmospheric pressure using sir manometer. First we sir filled sir one sir tube with mercury, sir, and after that sir we completely up उल्टा कर देते हैं सर उस मोनोमीटर से जिसमें सर मरकरी होता है, फिर सर जो सर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर लगता है वो सर उसको सर काउंटर कर देता है, तो सर जो हाइट आती है सर मरकरी की, जो लेवल उसमें सर फिल होता है, तो वो सर 76 mm के अप्रोक्स आती है सर।
ओके, टेम्परेचर मेजरमेंट के लिए क्या क्या ट्रांसड्यूसर्स मेनली हम यूज कर सकते हैं?
सर थर्मोकपल, थर्मिस्टर, आरटीडी, थर्मोपाइल एंड सर बोलोमीटर एंड सर सेमीकंडक्टर
उसकी
ट्रांसड्यूसर।
रेंज का एक आइडिया दो अलग अलग।
Yes, sir. For sir thermocouple, we use sir -600 to sir 2000 degree Celsius, sir. And sir
Okay.
for thermistor, sir, we use sir -50 to sir 120 degree Celsius. And sir RTD, we use sir -50 to 600. And sir semiconductor, we use sir -50 to 150 degree Celsius, sir.
जो ये थर्मोमीटर हम यूज करते हैं ये किस कैटेगरी में रखेंगे?
Thermometer.
थर्मोमीटर यूज करते हैं फीवर मेजर करने के लिए,
Yes, a thermistor, sir.
इसको थर्मिस्टर बोलेंगे
Yes, sir.
या आरटीडी बोलेंगे?
No, sir, I think sir thermistor, sir. Because mainly sir we use thermistor because sir it response is the quick, sir.
ओके,
And sir we range it in live in this, sir.
तो कुछ
Sir, you
बता
are
सकते हैं?
yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
या थर्मोकपल्स में डिफरेंट टाइप्स होते हैं,
Yes, sir.
तो जैसे जे टाइप, के टाइप, इस तरीके का सुना है आपने थर्मोकपल?
Yes, sir.
तो इनमें डिफरेंट मेटल्स के कॉम्बिनेशन से बनते हैं ये।
Yes, sir. So
सो
like
जे
J
टाइप
type,
कैसे बनता है?
sir, J type is one metal is iron, second is constantan, sir.
श्योर?
Yes, sir. And sir K type chromium
Okay.
aluminum, sir.
कैलाश सर, आर यू हियर?
Yes, sir. Okay. So your background is instrumentation, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have some copy pen?
Yes, sir. I have.
Okay. Elaborate me bit about your major project. What was your major project?
Sir, due to block diagram, sir.
No. First of all, tell me what was your major project? Simply objective. What was objective of your major project?
Sir, objective was first, sir, so we now count the number of people in the any place to visit and present time, and sir, now count the sir, total number of people who visit a particular place, and sir, third is sir for the sir optimal energy, and fourth is sir to do some action and the alert when the sir maximum number of people is reached. And sir, we know that sir, in every time in many situations we want to sir control the crowd and sir restrict the number of people. And sir, like in a mall, if we want to only sir 200 people at in time, then we sir stop rest other. And also sir optimal energy for when we sir no one is present in their room and sir on the hall, so that then we turn off the sir, unnecessary equipments which are due to our power loss. And in my opinion, sir, this device is very important in the sir COVID situation also.
Okay, I got it. But can you
Yes,
tell
sir.
me some of the key components of your project which you have used?
So first, sir, IR sensors and sir
Okay.
micro, sir 8051 micro series microcontroller
Mhm.
and sir transformer, regulator, rectifier.
Which regulator you used?
Sir, I forget their name.
Mhm.
And sir,
Okay, can you tell me a bit about software specification? Which language you use?
so language is embedded C, and sir software use sir Keel Microvision IED software, sir.
Okay, so what was your contribution? Was your contribution into language coding or some hardware integration?
Sir, we did in this group, and sir, I participated in sir established the sir project also and some documentary work, sir.
So you haven't anything to do with the hardware integration and basically the project layout.
Sir, in the both, sir, I contribute, sir.
Okay, can you show me the diagram? Whatever component you mentioned me, just draw the rough block diagram in brief. How they are interfaced with the microcontroller. Do it fast.
Yes, sir.
Please do it fast.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is visible, sir?
Yeah, this is visible. This is the central part is the microcontroller, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is to the what is towards your left? Show me on the screen.
Sir, it is, sir, 7-segment display, sir.
Okay, and what is to
Yes.
the right?
Sir, it is, sir, IR sensor. One is, sir, sir, sensor, and sir, one is the detector, and sir, everyone is go in three. Do in this, sir, it's a microcontroller detect the pattern, sir. Because sir, I use, sir, three IR sensor. When one goes to this side, then sir, first this block, and sir, this pattern is detected by sir microcontroller. And sir, somebody sir out to in, then sir, this pattern detector, sir, it's like 3, 2, 1. And so after that is a microcontroller. We coded this, and so this is a 7-segment display. And so present people in the any room and all it represents, sir. And it is the transmitter and so rectifier and so transformer, rectifier, and regulators.
You don't know which regulator you use.
Yes.
Okay, being an instrumentation engineer, do you think you know there is a need of data acquisition system? Do you have any idea about data acquisition system? Have you listened this term earlier?
Sir, yes, sir, I listen, sir.
Okay, can you brief this term?
Sir, according to sir my knowledge in that time, sir, data acquisition, like sir, we used to sir arrange sir some data in particular way, like this, sir.
What do you mean by the dictionary meaning of acquisition?
Uh,
Data you already know. What is data, right?
yes, sir.
See, sometimes we use certain terminology. If we don't know technical meaning, then by just breaking down their names, we can
Yes, sir.
also and we can also do guesswork. Okay, so I guess being an instrumentation engineer, this is the one of the major domain of your sector because the front end of every system is this one, data acquisition system, right? So what do you
Yes,
mean
sir.
by the acquisition? Because in earlier your introduction, you also told that you have started English classes, I guess, right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by acquisition? Then if you know the meaning of acquisition, then data acquisition is clear to you.
Sir. So that time, sir, I am sir not recognize this term, sir. I will learn,
Okay,
sir.
okay, no issue. See, you have two terms. One is accuracy and
Yes, sir.
second is precision,
Yes, sir.
right? Third is sensitivity.
Yes, sir.
You got three terms?
Yes, sir.
Which one? Tell me.
Sir, मतलब describe three terms. Describe
I
each of
told
one.
you. I told you accuracy,
Yes,
precision,
sir.
and sensitivity, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you define what do you mean by the accuracy in brief.
Yes, sir. Accuracy means, sir, degree of closeness to sir true value. Sir, actually, sir, I take an example.
Yeah, sure.
Like sir, we use to measure sir voltage. Then
Mhm,
sir, our true value is the 10 volt, and
mhm.
sir, our readings are like sir 9.9, 10.1. According to this only, according to 10 only, all the reading. That's sir, it's accurate. And
Okay.
sir, for the sir, precision, like sir, our true value is 10. Sir, previous reading is sir accurate and precision also. And sir, only for precision, our true value is 10. But sir, all the readings around sir 9. So that instrument is precision, but not accurate, sir. And sir,
Okay.
sensitive. Yes.
You do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Along the y-axis, you take some temperature. This is the
Yes,
variable which I'm measuring. Okay.
yes, sir. Sir, can I draw?
Yeah. Along the
Yes, sir.
y-axis, the temperature, and along x-axis, take the time.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now what I'm doing, I am indicating this one. Let us say this is my actual temperature. You can see here on the screen. Visible to you? I have drawn a
Yes, sir.
proper
Yes, sir. Yes,
actual
sir.
temperature.
Actual. Yes, sir.
So in this graph, on the same graph, you know, define me precision. Okay. on the same graph, you choose some 7 to 8 readings and just plot them on the graph and show me that under this case, if the points and your values positions are these one, then it is precise. If this one, then it's not precise. Okay. And if it is this one, then it's accurate. If these are this one, it's not accurate. You got my point? Show me graphically.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is visible.
Yeah, visible, visible.
In the sir, first sir, the sir actual temperature is this, but the all the reading in sir around this, the sir that is the sir not accurate, but it is a precision, sir. And the sir
Okay.
second reading, sir, all the sir actual temperature this, and the all the readings are around this, and this is accurate and precision, sir.
Okay. Have you listened the term repeatability?
Yes, sir.
So repeatability is associated with accuracy or precision.
Repeatability, sir. I think, sir, it is accuracy, sir.
Right now, you are telling me, sir, accurate doesn't mean precise. Okay. You understand?
Yes. Sir. Accurate. No, sir. Accurate. Okay, sir. I understand what it is.
My question is, there is a term repeatability. Repeatability
Yes.
is the term defined with precision or accuracy. Define with this one just.
Sir, I think, sir, it is related to accuracy, sir. I think.
Why so?
Because repeatedly when, sir, we change the, sir, condition of the environment, condition of the related to the instrument, then the reading will not change, sir.
Mhm.
And
But
they produce.
if your instrument is giving you consistent reading, okay, then it will be precise or accurate.
But sir, constant reading, if we close to the sir, accurate true value, that then it is.
Secondary thing, if it is giving you consistent reading, okay.
Yes, sir. So then we can, sir, it is precision, but we can't sure about, sir, accuracy, sir.
Okay, so if it is giving consistent value, don't you think this is also repeatability? They're repeating their values.
Yes, sir. Also, sir, repeating.
Then repeatability will be associated with accuracy or precision.
Sir, it depends, sir. If sir, prior, sir, if instruments are accurate and precision both, sir, then after it that, sir, both are accurate and precision, sir. Because, sir, in the repeatability, we can't change the, sir, reading associated with input. If we change the, sir, environmental condition or due to something, but if the previous, sir,
Tell me, do you have any idea about dead space?
sorry, sir, I am, sir, repeat, sir.
Dead space, dead space.
That space.
Yes. Have you idea about this?
Sir, I listen only at that time, not that space. So, sir, I am not idea about this. Sorry, sir.
You don't have idea about this?
Sir, this time I can't recall, sir, this time, sir.
What do you mean by sensitivity? Tell me.
Sensitivity means, sir, this is the, sir, smallest value of the input when we apply it to the, sir, any instrument, then, sir, output is output is, sir, previous value to next successive possible value it will produce, sir.
Okay, I am giving you some curve. This one. Visible to you?
Sir, term not visible, but, sir, it graph is visible, sir.
Along the y-axis, it is output. Along the x-axis, it is input.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In starting,
sir.
it is linearly increasing, then it is saturating a bit, then again increasing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So from this graph of any system, can you get any idea about dead space?
That space.
Yeah.
I think, sir, in the middle part, I can guess, sir.
Guess how you
Sir,
can guess?
if you permit me, sir, I can guess.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Sir, I think, sir, the middle stage of it is a dead space because, sir, if you change the sir input, then sir output is didn't change, sir.
So for that, if I ask you for a sensor, this
Yes,
dead
sir.
space should be small or high to
Uh,
have better sensor.
for the sir, better sensitivity of instrument, which quantity we interested, sir.
Yeah.
Sir. For the sir, which quantity we measure or we interested, that for this, sir, this that time is as low as possible, sir, as small as possible.
So hope you got your point of dead space. What is dead space basically?
Yes, sir. When, sir, we apply input and, sir, output is didn't change, sir. Yes,
See,
sir.
basically the sensitivity of the sensor is what? It is the ratio of its output change to change in the input quantity, right?
Yes, sir.
It is clear, which represent the measurement. Fine. So I just
Yes, sir.
plotted the output versus input characteristic. So if a
Yes, sir.
sensor have, let us say, poor sensitivity, what does it mean? That it will not produce an output change in response to the range of input value.
Yes, sir.
That is what I mentioned here in the graph. Is it clear? That range, for that range of input, if it is not responding, that is what? That is basically the dead space.
Yes, sir.
If I call you this dead space should be small or high, then what you will say? Sir, it should be small for a sensor or instrument with a better sensitivity. Is it clear? The same
Yes,
thing,
sir.
I try to confuse you between the accuracy and precision. What is accuracy? Accuracy is basically used to describe how closely a sensor measures the actual value of a controlled variable. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. And in practically, it is very difficult to get always that actual value. But even if our that value is within the tolerance band, there is a tolerance band practically specified, then we say our instrument is accurate. Hopefully, you are aware of these all things, right?
Okay.
Then when it comes to the precision is basically used to describe how consistently a sensor responds to the same input value. You got my point?
Yes, sir. If the device consistently give the value at the for the same input at the same output, sir.
Yeah. Let us suppose, precision of a temperature sensor as it takes 5 separate readings for a constant temperature. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. You
Yes,
got
sir.
my point. So that is why repeatability term is associated with this one. Okay.
Only repeatability associated with precision, sir. No?
Now tell me, have you listened the term comparator?
Comparator, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What do you mean by comparator? Analog comparator. Can you define analog comparator?
Yes, sir. When we use open in, sir, without feedback, sir, then, sir, open work as a, sir, comparator, sir.
Okay. If I have a one op-amp in open loop configuration,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes, sir.
and I am using it in comparator configuration.
Yes, sir.
So can I say it is a analog to digital conversion process also?
Sir, if you use a comparator, if you use comparator and they applied this to voltage across it, sir.
Just tell me, can we say that it is working as a to D converter or not?
Yes, sir. We can say because, sir, in the output stage only, sir, two in the two output stage only, sir. First is a plus V set and the second is a minus V set. And sir, digital also we only sir two state. Sir, that's why we can say.
Repeat
In
it,
the
please.
sir, in the digital quantity we only sir two state. First is high and low, and sir if the comparator also sir two state high and low. In this point of view, I can say this is an analog to digital converter.
Okay, suppose you are put into a industrial control system. Is it
Sir,
okay?
can you repeat? Can you repeat?
You are having a chemical process. Is it
Chemical.
clear?
Yes, sir.
In chemical process, you have one temperature transducers and one
Yes.
pressure transducer.
Okay, sir. Temperature and pressure.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now the condition provided is it is desired that alarm be activated whenever the process temperature exceeds the maximum value or whenever the process pressure goes above a certain limit. So there
Yes,
should
sir.
be an alarm. You got my problem or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you
Yes.
suggest me some digital design for such system or for such alarming system using basic circuit?
Can I draw, sir?
Yeah, you should draw it.
Okay, sir. Sir, this is visible.
Yeah, tell me.
Can I explain? Yes, sir. This is a DP transmitter I use, and sir, DP
Mhm.
transmit convert the pressure into sir 4 to 20 milliampere current, sir. And sir,
I
4
have
to current.
I have told you use only digital circuit. I haven't given you, availability of any analog device, any comparator, any operational amplifier, right? You have to
Only
use only basic logic gate.
sir, using the how to we sir measure pressure, sir. Only logic gate, sir.
You can use transducers at the input section. That is
Uh,
fine.
okay, sir. This part is changed. Okay, sir.
You simply have one temperature transducer, second one is the pressure transducer. Okay, obviously one output will be the voltage corresponding to that temperature, right? And other output will be the voltage corresponding to that pressure.
Okay, sir. So first we sir use a transducer. After that, sir, we convert sir analog to digital converter, and after
Mhm.
that, sir, we use n-bit comparator, sir.
Mhm.
And this and there is sir one sir reference uh, uh, which one which is the sir represents the for the maximum pressure the digital quantity is this this digital quantity we associate with this.
Why we need to use n-bit A to D converter? You are having just a alarm system. It is being compared with simple of one level. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Obviously there is a maximum voltage corresponding to some temperature, maximum reference point will be there. I have provided you, if that exceeded above that value, only then alarm should be generated. So earlier you told me, sir, if I have an analog comparator, that can be, we can say that it is a to D converter, one bit analog to digital converter, right? Because output will be either high, either low, either one, either zero. So why are you
Yes,
going
sir.
for n here? Tell me.
So for sir, there we I already use sir this voltage comparator, sir. But you can send me sir for this digital device so that I use, sir.
Fine, then why are you saying n bit? My question is this: don't you think that one bit is
Because sir, okay, sir. But because sir, we don't know, sir, what is the output associated with this, sir. Yes, sir. We can only one bit, but for the
see,
sir,
when
better
you are doing
understand.
comparison, your answer will be yes or no. Simple thing is that either above that level, either below that level. Tell me, will
Yes,
there
sir.
be any other level?
No, sir. But then we use one bit comparator.
Okay, then go ahead. Then what further?
Then sir, after that we also use one bit comparator. Sir,
Mhm.
then sir A or B. When sir one there is a sir comparator the three output. When the sir one output we associated with the sir LED, sir. When sir A greater than B, which means sir a value of A is a logic high and value of B is a logic 0. then sir output of the one of the output of the comparator is high.
Then how your alarm will be triggered? Tell me.
Sir, we connect
your
the sir
alarm?
because sir logic high is the 5 volt. Then sir we connect the sir LED to it, sir.
Hmm.
When sir this is activate, then sir LED and sir alarm we connected to this, sir.
Okay. Can't you do it in simple manner? You take one temperature transducer, there is certain voltage corresponding to the temperature, and use a comparator. Obviously, there will be some output of the comparator, right?
Yes, sir.
And there will be a pressure transducers. I am showing you by plotting. And there will be some voltage corresponding to pressure, and there is a reference level, and I put it into comparator. Okay. Then can't we use OR gate and give it to the alarm system? Is it possible like this? Simple way. Check it.
Uh, so first, sir, in the middle, sir, what we use, sir, amplifier.
Wait a minute. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is visible to you.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the middle, this is amplifier.
This is a OR gate, logic gate.
No, sir. In middle, sir. After the sir temperature transducer, sir.
Okay, that is comparator, simple
Okay,
comparator.
sir. Okay, sir. Comparator. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
Don't you think this is the simple design? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Tell me. Discuss what you want to discuss.
Sir, I think, sir, this is also right, sir.
So whenever you are asked to design certain things, first you told me, sir, there is an analog comparator. Okay, that is why I linked the same question. As you belong to instrumentation category, there will be some you are put into process, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you will measure certain value. What you need in the comparator? You need one reference level. So that reference level is given to you, marked to you for both temperature as well as pressure. You use two comparators. Okay, and what you wanted basically? You wanted whenever that level is crossed, there will be alarming system. So
Yes,
what
sir.
is the truth table of OR gate? Tell me. It gives the high output, if
Then one of
any both are
high,
high.
sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So if in one case or in both cases the level is crossed, we need simple alarming system,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea about DAC, digital to analog converter?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what are the different specifications of DAC?
So basic specification, sir.
Mm-hmm.
First we sir basic specification. First we sir this is a digital input, and sir after digital input we sir use sir quantizer, and after that we use sir decoder.
See, I'm not saying about how it works. Right now, you might have some smartphone, you might have some microphone, you might have some other electronic gadgets, you might have
Yes,
some
sir.
other ICs. When we go and purchase these things, then we see what are the specifications, and we use different parameters. What is the memory? What is the speed? What is this all, right? So
Yes, sir.
if you are going to choose a DAC DAC, what are the parameters on which basis you will choose? What are those specification parameters? That is I'm asking practically, right?
Sir, can you repeat again, sir? I am not to get your point.
See, my question is, what do you mean by specification?
Specification of this any device which is associated
On which
with
you
some
can, on which you can characterize the device.
characteristic of the device, sir.
So, do you know some of the specification of DAC?
And types of, sir. specification
How
like
you will
sir,
compare DAC? How you will compare DAC? Tell me, if you are given two DAC, how you will compare those two
first,
DAC?
first sir, in the digital inputs are which type of inputs are n bit inputs are 2-bit type of this.
Have you listened the term resolution? Have you listened the term
Yes sir.
accuracy? Have you
Yes, sir.
listened the term settling time? Have you listened the term offset error? Have you listened the term monotonicity?
Yes,
Aren't
sir.
these the specifications?
Oh, yes sir, I got sir.
Hmm?
Yes sir, I got sir.
Okay. Now, what is inverter in digital logic? Why we use inverter?
Inverters sir, for the sir inverter sir, for the sir we convert sir the sir low logic to sir high logic, and sir high logic to sir low logic, sir. Basically we use inverter for this.
Okay. Now, wait a minute. I have a wave, this one visible to you?
Yes sir.
What is this? Tell me. This is
This
a
is noise, I think sir.
noisy input, right?
Yes sir.
I want to convert it into smooth input. You understand?
Smooth. Okay sir.
So can I do that with the inverter or not?
Inverter. So for the sir, I
I'm giving you two options. One is inverter, one is schemic trigger. Out of these two, which you will prefer?
I think sir, sir, I think sir, if sir this is random singular, is sir if is about the sir high logic, then sir output is the low. Then sir there is no output is low. Then is the 0 volt for due to sir the noise voltage. And for the sir stupid trigger, if he cross the sir threshold, then sir output is sir for the sir inverting type. For sir this is low sir.
No, my question is this: which you will prefer to smooth
Prefer
this
sir for
schemic
the
trigger or
removing.
inverter?
Sir, for the most, sir, I think, sir, inverter, sir.
Inverters. Why not schemic trigger? Tell me.
Sir, we can use, but threshold is when the sir 0 volt.
In inverter, we have single threshold or multiple threshold? First, tell me.
It's a single threshold.
And in a schemic trigger, we have single threshold or multiple threshold? In schemic trigger, have you studied upper threshold, lower threshold? कुछ ऐसा पढ़े हो?
Yes, sir.
कितने threshold हुए वहाँ पे बताओ?
Sir, in this estimate, sir, 2 threshold. One is upper threshold and second lower threshold.
तो बताइए, जहाँ पे 2 थ्रेशोल्ड है, तो वहाँ पे आपका ज्यादा नॉइस रिमूव होगा या फिर जहाँ सिंगल थ्रेशोल्ड है वहाँ ज्यादा नॉइस रिमूव होगा?
Sir. I think सर जहाँ सर ज्यादा थ्रेशोल्ड है वहाँ पे सर
रीजन बीइंग क्योंकि हिस्टेरिसिस अपर थ्रेशोल्ड में एक बार वो ट्रांजिशन कर जाएगा, उसके ऊपर उसमें जितनी भी वेरिएशन आ रही है आउटपुट क्या रहेगा? फिक्स रहेगा जब तक नेक्स्ट थ्रेशोल्ड क्रॉस नहीं करता है। ऐसा कि नहीं है?
यस सर, एंड सर यस सर, आई गॉट सर।
तो बताइए, स्मूथ आपको वेरिएशंस कहाँ मिलेगा आउटपुट में? सिंगल थ्रेशोल्ड में, मल्टीपल थ्रेशोल्ड में?
मल्टीपल थ्रेशोल्ड।
Okay, what do you understand by proximity sensors? Have you idea about proximity sensors?
Yes, sir. It's a detect some input without sir physical contact of it, sir. And so we have the sir capacity of proximity sensor and inductive proximity sensor.
Okay, right. Which you will prefer personally if you are provided with two options, inductive or capacitive?
Uh, sir, I think the capacitive.
Capacitive. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, earlier you were using a term RTD. Have you used the term RTD?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me some application of RTD?
Yes, sir. For this, sir, measure the temperature, sir, -200 to 600 degrees
Oh, that
Celsius.
is the basic application. That is the basic principle behind its working. Sometimes what happens, suppose we have a device, so it can be used in other places also. That is the basic application which you are telling me, right? So
Yes,
apart
sir.
from that, in electrical or electronic circuit, do you think that it also has some other application?
Apart from, sir, temperature measurement.
Yeah.
Mm, sir, right now, sir, I am not recall this.
ओवर करंट प्रोटेक्शन में यूज किया जा सकता है इसको?
Power current protection.
Hmm.
Sir, if we use some, sir, filament, resistive filament, and sir,
देखो,
current
अगर
at,
आप इसको किसी नॉर्मल सर्किट में यूज करोगे, राइट,
yes, sir.
ऑब्वियसली बात है, क्या इससे फर्क पड़ेगा? इसका
Yes, sir.
रेजिस्टेंस क्या होता है? लो होता है नॉर्मली, राइट?
Yes, sir.
बट जब आपका शॉर्ट सर्किट होगा या फिर ओवर कंडीशन अकर होगी, तो आपको लगता नहीं उस टाइम ये पिक्चर में रोल प्ले करेगा? इस रेजिस्टेंस विल गो हाई एंड इट विल ट्राई टू लिमिट द करंट लेवल.
Yes, sir.
क्या यूज किया सकता है इसको ओवर करंट प्रोटेक्शन में कि नहीं?
हाँ सर, इस सर यूज किया जा सकता है.
टेम्परेचर कंपनसेशन सुनी है कोई टर्म?
टेम्परेचर कंपनसेशन, यस सर, इन थर्मोकपल सर आई हर्ड अबाउट.
थर्मोकपल में और कहीं पे नहीं पढ़ा आपने? किसी इंस्ट्रूमेंट में, पीएमएनसी में या किसी मूविंग आयरन, मूविंग कॉइल में?
Yes, sir. For the we use snap resistance, sir, in this, sir. Stamping resistance, sir.
तो हम इसका यूज कर सकते हैं, थर्मिस्टर का यूज कर सकते हैं क्या टेम्परेचर कंपनसेशन के लिए?
Thermistor,
हम्म.
sir, in sir PMMC which required only sir simple resistance, sir.
नहीं, मेरा क्वेश्चन है थर्मिस्टर को हम एज ए टेम्परेचर कंपनसेशन के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं कि नहीं कर सकते, बताओ.
Yes, sir, कर सकते हैं, sir. If मीटर के along sir इसको अटैच कर दे तो सर कर सकते हैं. When sir temperature increase, then sir that time we need no need of sir something resistance because sir meter resistance already increased due to temperature, sir.
Okay, you discuss certain pair of thermocouple. One you discuss the iron constantan pair, something like this. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
तो
sir.
कौन से इन्वायरमेंट में आप ये पेयर यूज करते हो?
Sir, when we this use for the sir temperature for the sir -50 to sir 900, sir.
No, that is I'm not asking range. There is an environment, reducing environment or something, oxidizing environment. कौन सा environment आप prefer करते हो?
At that time, sir, I'm not idea about it. I will learn about it.
Okay, fine, Manoj. Okay, so see, in basically, first of all, coming to introduction part, when you are introducing yourself, first of all, कम मत बोलिए, थोड़ा बोलने की कोशिश करो, इंटरेक्टिव बनो उनके साथ. ऐसे मत बनो कि यस मैन मत बनो कि इफ आई नो देन आई विल आंसर, अदरवाइज आई विल स्टे क्वाइट. थोड़ा सा कन्वर्सेशन को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने की कोशिश करो, ठीक है, और थोड़ी सी ऐसी चीजें इन्वॉल्व करो.
Okay, sir.
इज इट क्लियर? और दूसरा, व्हेन इट कम्स टू आंसर, आप बहुत ज्यादा सोचते हो. इज इट क्लियर? आपको लगता है कि अगर मैं आते हुए भी आप रुक जाते हो वहीं पे कि अगर मैं ये बोलूंगा तो गलत हो जाएगी. आप उसको एटलीस्ट सोचिए तो सही ना. आपको मैंने एक क्वेश्चन दिया सिंपल, एक मैंने नॉइसी इनपुट दी और आपको मैंने पूछा इसको स्मूथ करना है तो कैसे करना है. So that was just, when you do the measurement process, every time you will not get exact input or undistorted input. There will be always certain sort of the distortions, right?
Yes, sir.
I asked you almost all the question from the front end of any system, which is the role of instrumentation design engineer. Is it clear? तो वहां पे अगर आप थोड़ी देर सोचोगे ना उस चीज को, तो यू विल बी एबल टू आंसर बेटर, क्योंकि बाद में जैसे मैं आपको हिंट देता गया, फिर तो आपको पता चलता गया, हाँ यार ये हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है। तो पहले इंस्टेंट में भी उसको सोचिए थोड़ा सा, ठीक है। बाकी हर क्वेश्चन का मैंने साथ साथ आपको इंस्टेंटली रिस्पॉन्स दिया है, कहाँ पे आप कर
Yes,
रहे थे,
sir.
कैसे आपने मूव करना है, ठीक है। बाकी जो थर्मोकपल है, आरटीडी है, थर्मिस्टर है, इनके देखो ऑब्वियसली दे आर द टेम्परेचर डिवाइसेस, टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल डिवाइसेस, टेम्परेचर ऑपरेटिंग डिवाइसेस, फाइन। बट उसके
sir.
अलावा इनके बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस है, जैसे आई डिस्कस विद यू ओवर करंट प्रोटेक्शन, मैंने आपको बताया टेम्परेचर कंपनसेशन के लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं इसको। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
सिंपल
Yes,
थिंग,
sir.
कंपनसेशन का मतलब क्या होता है, किसी चीज को कंपनसेट करना है। अगर मेरे पास
Yes, sir.
मेरे को कहीं पे किसी सर्किट में ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर से ना इसका रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज हो रहा है, तो वो इंक्रीज को कंपनसेट करने के लिए मुझे कोई ऐसा कंपोनेंट ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना जो उसके ऑपोजिटली बिहेव करे, डिक्रीज कर दे उसको। यू गॉट माय पॉइंट और नॉट? तो
Yes,
नेट
sir.
इफेक्ट कितना हो जाएगा? जीरो फॉर अ मोमेंट। चलो आप अगर इतना ज्यादा सोच भी नहीं पा रहे हो वहां पे लाइव कंडीशन में, मैथमेटिकल माइंड तो लगा सकते हो ना।
Yes, sir.
If you think this is a totally new term to you, you haven't heard it, just go after the meaning. जैसे मैंने डाटा एक्विजिशन सिस्टम
Data.
में बोला,
Yes, sir.
acquiring the data and storing the digital data, simple thing। एक्विजिशन का नाम लोकल सेंस में क्या बोलते हैं बताइए? एक्वायर,
Data.
होल्ड करना, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
इन चीजों का ध्यान रखिएगा। बाकी मेजर प्रोजेक्ट में आपका ठीक था, बट मेजर प्रोजेक्ट में मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है, जितने भी कंपोनेंट आपके यूज हुए हैं, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग देयर नेम, एटलीस्ट आईसी नंबर एंड देयर स्पेसिफिकेशन, ओके।
Yes.
So this was a pure from my side, rest Tyagi sir will tell you, okay।
मेरे हिसाब से देखो बच्चे की जो प्रेजेंटेशन है वो काफी ठीक है। क्या नाम है आपका? मनोज?
Sir, Manoj Prajapati.
हाँ मनोज। तो मतलब कोई नेगेटिव ऐसा ज्यादा नहीं है, कोई भी चीजें लगी हमें जो ऑब्जर्व हुई हो, ठीक है। जो सर ने पॉइंट्स बताए हैं उनको थोड़ा ध्यान दो बस।
Yes.
बाकी इंट्रोडक्शन की प्रैक्टिस करनी है थोड़ी सी ना,
हाँ, yes, sir.
उसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं लगना चाहिए। तो घर पे बैठ के मोबाइल के सामने बैठ के ना कई बार प्रैक्टिस करो। पहले तो
Yes, sir.
फिक्स कर लो कि भाई क्या क्या चीजें तुम्हें बतानी है इंट्रोडक्शन में, कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स तुम्हें बताने हैं, और फिर उन
Sir,
पॉइंट्स का रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करो।
ये सर कुछ ऐड करना है क्या सर, या सिर्फ इनफ है इंट्रोडक्शन, या कुछ ऐड और करूँ सर?
नहीं ऐड ठीक है, ज्यादा लंबा भी करना नहीं है उसको।
Yes, sir.
मतलब कि सारी इंफॉर्मेशन जितना दे सकते हो मिनिमम टाइम में वो करना होता है इंट्रोडक्शन में,
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि आगे भी इंटरव्यू चलेगा तो सब कुछ तो नहीं बता सकते ना उसी में।
हाँ,
बट
yes, sir.
जितनी चीजें अपने से रिलेटेड हैं जो उनके लिए काम किए हैं वो सारी मेंशन कर दो,
हाँ, yes.
ठीक है। कोई इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग भी की है आपने?
Yes, sir. ट्रेनिंग सर नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न रेलवे से।
अच्छा, तो क्या वहाँ इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन से रिलेटेड काम था कुछ, या अलग था?
हाँ सर, मेजरली सर कम्युनिकेशन से रिलेटेड था।
अच्छा, तो फिर इसको उसको कम्युनिकेशन मतलब उसको ज्यादा फिर मेंशन नहीं करना।
यस
कोई भी
सर, सर मैंने
इंटर्नशिप या कोई कोर्स सर्टिफिकेशन किया हुआ हो जो मेजरमेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन से रिलेटेड हो वो बता सकते हो।
हाँ सर, नो सर, अभी तक क्या नहीं सर।
हाँ, क्या बोल रहे थे आप?
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली सर प्रीवियस इंटरव्यू सर मैंने 2020 बेस पे किया था सर, तो मतलब ट्रेनिंग के लिए बोला था सर, इसलिए मैंने अभी तक मतलब बताया नहीं, मतलब इंट्रोडक्शन ट्रेनिंग के लिए, क्योंकि कम्युनिकेशन से रिलेटेड था सर ट्रेनिंग, मेजरली पार्ट। सम पार्ट्स इंस्ट्रूमेंट थे तो बस मेजरली पार्ट सर वो सर कम्युनिकेशन से रिलेटेड था। तो सर उन्होंने ऑब्जेक्शन उठाया था कि सर आप है ना इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन से हो, तो आपको मतलब मेजरली सर उस डोमेन में जाना चाहिए, तो भी
हाँ नहीं,
ट्रेनिंग है उसकी।
वही ध्यान रखना, वही इसलिए मैं मना कर रहा हूँ कि उसको ज्यादा मेंशन नहीं करना। और बाकी जोधपुर के बारे में मैंने पूछा था हिस्टोरिकल, तो जरूर पूछते हैं वो। जोधपुर हुआ, ठीक है ना, मेवाड़ हुआ, या कोई ऐसे फेमस शहर होते हैं ना पुराने हिस्टोरिकल,
Yes,
तो
sir.
इनके बारे में कई बार पूछ लेते हैं वो। तो कौन राजा थे जोधपुर के लेटेस्ट, जो मतलब सबसे फेमस राजा हुए वहां पे,
Yes, sir.
वो सब चीजें ध्यान रखो। कोई ऐसी फाइट हुई है क्या हिस्ट्री में जहां पे जोधपुर रिलेटेड हो, तो ये चीजें दिमाग में रखो, कई बार पूछ सकते हैं, वो हिस्टोरिकल में वो चीजें बतानी होती हैं।
ओके
ठीक है,
वॉर
अब क्यों
रिलेटेड
फेमस
सर।
है, क्यों फेमस है तो वो बता सकते हो तुम कि यहाँ पे ये जगह है घूमने के लिए है, मतलब टूरिस्ट प्लेस है बहुत अच्छा, काफी दूर
यस
दूर
सर।
से लोग आते हैं, तो यहाँ पे काफी स्कोप है इसका टूरिज्म का।
हाँ यस सर।
ठीक है, उसके बाद एमटेक क्यों नहीं करना चाहते हो, तो अगर पूछते हैं तो बोल सकते हो कि जी मुझे भी जॉब की रिक्वायरमेंट है, और अब मैं काफी कुछ सीख चुका हूँ बीटेक में, बेसिक नॉलेज जो रिक्वायर्ड है वो सारी मैंने गेन कर ली है, मुझे अब उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना है कंपनी में जाके पीएसयूज में।
यस सर।
कि मेरा माइंड रिसर्च का है नहीं ज्यादा, ठीक है, मेरा
हाँ
काम है कि जो काम मुझे मिल जाए उनको परफॉर्म करूं टास्क को अच्छे तरीके से। ठीक है,
यस सर, मतलब जॉब के लिए सर इंटरेस्ट ज्यादा शो करना है।
हाँ ये मत बोलना है कि मुझे पीएचडी करनी है, कल को कर लूंगा, मौका मिलेगा
हाँ
तो
सर।
कर लूंगा, कुछ नहीं, कि मुझे नहीं करनी पीएचडी, मुझे नहीं करना एमटेक, मुझे सिर्फ और सिर्फ जॉब चाहिए, जॉब करनी है बस, अपना
यस सर।
अच्छे तरीके से उसी में अपने आप को पूरा मैं इन्वॉल्व करना चाहता हूँ।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, और पीएसयूज में क्यों जाना चाहते हो, तो बोल सकते हो डेफिनेटली कि भाई पीएसयूज में जो है आजकल वर्क का कल्चर मतलब बहुत अच्छा है, गवर्नमेंट बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट हो गई है, तो पीएसयूज में काम बहुत ज्यादा करना पड़ता है, उसके लिए मैं रेडी हूँ, बट उस काम के साथ में वहां पे एक रिकॉग्निश उसको पहचान भी मिलती है, मतलब वो काम रिकॉग्नाइज ज्यादा होता है मेरे हिसाब से।
यस
मतलब
सर।
सेम काम आप प्राइवेट सेक्टर में कहीं भी कर सकते हो, उतना ही काम यहाँ पे भी करना है आपको, बट यहाँ पे क्या है कि मेंटल पीस ज्यादा रहेगी, और उसकी मतलब वो ज्यादा होगी, मतलब फेयर
यस सर।
फेयर होगा सारा कुछ। अगर मैं कुछ अच्छा परफॉर्म करूंगा तो वो डिपार्टमेंट उसको देखेगा, मतलब ध्यान से, अकॉर्डिंगली जो भी मतलब सारी चीजें होंगी। ठीक है,
यस सर।
काम का ये बोलना कि काम बहुत बढ़ गया है पीएसयूज में, मैं जानता हूँ कि पिछले कुछ सालों से बहुत ज्यादा में पीएसयूज के ऊपर लोड है देश की
जी।
इकोनॉमी को करने का, तो काम बहुत ज्यादा है, लेकिन मैं काम के लिए रेडी हूँ, बट थोड़ा
हाँ
मेंटल सेटिस्फेक्शन, एक स्टेबिलिटी, सिक्योरिटी, वो फैक्टर्स हैं जो उधर की तरफ मुझे अट्रैक्ट करते हैं।
हाँ यस।
ठीक है, और उसके बाद वीकनेस आपने बताया था, हॉबीज आपने क्या बताया था, हॉबीज के बारे में पूछा था मैंने ना।
यस सर।
हाँ, तो जैसे आपने वो कोटेशंस के बारे में बोला, तो पूछ सकते हैं कोई फेमस कोटेशन जो है कि भी बताओ कौन सी है, तो वो किसने बोली थी, क्या उसका मीनिंग है, वो पता होना चाहिए।
यस सर।
और कोई ऐसी जो बहुत फेमस हो, जो सबको याद हो, तो उसके बारे में ढूंढ लो कुछ, जितनी बहुत ज्यादा कॉमन है कि भाई इसको किसने बोला था, ये स्टेटमेंट किसका है, ये कोटेशन किसकी है। ठीक है,
लाइक एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम सर एंड सर विवेकानंद जी की सर।
हाँ हाँ, जो भी फेमस है मतलब कॉमनली यूज होती हैं, बाकी बेसिक इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन पूछेंगे आपसे वो डेफिनेटली,
हाँ यस।
उसको पढ़ लो, कंट्रोल सिस्टम भी पूछा जाएगा, कंट्रोल सिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ लो,
यस
मेजरमेंट,
सर।
इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन, कंट्रोल सिस्टम, तीन मेन सब्जेक्ट रहेंगे, साथ में सुपरवाइजरी कंट्रोल, पीएलसी, स्काडा, इनके बारे में पढ़ लो।
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली सर मतलब थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज सर ले सकता हूँ, क्योंकि सर प्रैक्टिकल तो मैंने सर पीएलसी स्टार्टअप पे किया नहीं था
थ्योरेटिकली
मतलब।
नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन ही पूछेंगे यार, बेसिक पीएसयूज में टफ क्वेश्चन नहीं होते ज्यादा।
तो सर मतलब
उनके
मेजरली नॉलेज
आप
मतलब पीएलसी की नहीं है सर अभी।
हैं,
सर मेजरली नॉलेज मतलब ज्यादा नहीं है मुझे पीएलसी, वर्क नहीं किया
अरे
सर
पढ़
मैंने
लो,
उस
अभी
पर।
टाइम तो है ना, जितना टाइम है उसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा
हाँ
तो
हाँ।
उसके बारे में देख लो क्या काम है, मीनिंग तो बता
यस
दोगे,
सर।
सुपरवाइजरी कंट्रोल का मीनिंग क्या है ये पूछ लेंगे,
ओके सर।
क्या डिफरेंस है स्काडा पीएलसी में, बेसिक डिफरेंस दोनों में वो पढ़ लो, कौन सी लैंग्वेज पीएलसी में यूज होती है प्रोग्रामिंग, वो पढ़
लैडर
लो।
सर।
हाँ, तो वही जनरल क्वेश्चन ही पूछे जाएंगे वहां पे, कंट्रोल वाल्व, ओपन टू एयर, ओपन टू क्लोज, ये क्या
यस
होते हैं,
सर।
इनका मीनिंग क्या होता है, वो पढ़ो। ठीक है,
यस सर। हाँ सर।
तो करो तैयारी अच्छे तरीके से, परफॉर्म कर,
यस
पर्सनालिटी
सर आई विल।
तुम्हारी उस हिसाब से मैच कर रही है कि तुम बिल्कुल सही जाओगे डायरेक्शन में, बस प्रॉपर प्लानिंग करके तैयारी करो। ठीक है,
यस सर।
ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू सर, आई एम ग्लैड टू पार्ट ऑफ दिस डिस्कशन।
ओके।